Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what the TV actually understands. Plug in the USB drive, and on your PC inspect the file: container, video codec, audio codec, resolution, frame rate, bitrate. Once done, compare those specs to the TV manual or on-screen info. If the codecs or container mismatch, the TV will refuse to play. Make sure you have a 1:1 backup of the original file on the drive. Open your chosen transcoder so you can convert to a supported format immediately. Now you perform the actual conversion. In the transcoder, pick the exact container and codecs the TV expects, commonly MP4 container with H, 264 video and AAC audio. Next, set resolution and frame rate to equal or fall below the TV's max. For example, downscale 4K to 1080p if the TV won't handle 4K. Use 2-pass encoding for consistent bitrate distribution or hardware acceleration to speed the job. Once encoding finishes, verify the new files. Finish by copying the converted file onto the USB drive formatted for the TV, and ensure file names use simple ASCII characters with no long paths. Plug into the TV and test playback. Watch the first minute to confirm audio/video sync and smooth playback. If the TV still rejects it, try a different USB port or remux the file into another supported container without re-encoding. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio causes failure, re-encode it as stereo 48K HZ AAC. This resolves most incompatibility cases.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.